Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some Ndengu curry, or you can also call this a big green gram stew recipe, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. So with me, I have my list of ingredients, and from this corner, I have my pre-boiled green grams. I have some onions, some cooking oil, some coriander leaves, some salt. I have my vegetables, and today I'm going very heavy on the vegetables because I do not have some other spices. I have my carrots, some coriander stems, I have some or bell pepper, I have 1 spoon of tomato, some garlic, and some grated courgettes, or you can also call them baby marrow. And finally, I have my secret ingredient, which is some soy sauce. This is not important at all. So don't ask me what if I do not have. You can include it if at all you have, and I include it because I want us to have that deep rich color. And also today for the thickness, I'm going with some grated carrots and some grated baby marrow. This will really come in handy when you want to thicken your stew. And then finally, what is green grams without some garlic? And without further ado, let's get started. Once my pot is hot, I'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then once that is also hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. I'm going to cook my onions, and once they start turning translucent, I'll go in with my garlic. Just how I like them. I'll go in with my garlic and also my tomatoes. Then I'll also add in my capsicum and my coriander stems. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt so that my tomatoes can dehydrate a little quicker. I'll give this about a minute, then I'll be back. Now that my tomatoes are well broken down, I'll go in with my other vegetables. Then I'm also going to add in my tomato paste. And because we've grated our baby marrow, it won't take a lot of time to cook. So it should be ready in about a minute as well. I'll add some water. And this looks yummy. So if at all you have some spices, you can add them at this point. And I'm going to cover this and give it about a minute. Then now I'll go in with my green grams. had pre-boiled my green grams with some salt, so I'm not going to add a lot of salt. I'll just add a small pinch of salt, mainly for the vegetables. Then this is where my secret ingredient comes in, some soy sauce. And that is just to enhance the color. And also remember, soy sauce contains some salt. And this looks amazing. This looks appetizing. So I'll add in my water. And here we are not afraid of soup, as long as you know how to go about it. I'll add some more. Then I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes and our stew will be done. Look at how yummy this looks. So my stew is ready and I'm going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. Switch that off and this is ready for plating. So remember to salt your avocado. And as you've seen, it was that easy. And look at this. This is very thick. Just how I like it, and probably how you are also going to love it once you try it out. And let's give this a taste test. Once it gets into your mouth, inateremka tu hivyo hadi kwa tumbo. Wow, this is good. With some avocado. And as you've seen, this is such an easy recipe. You can definitely try out this at home and you're definitely going to love it. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you loved it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.